Vanessa's bike broke down again. We need to go pick her up.
Listen, I'll take my truck. Do me out here. Okay, well, pretty please.
Thank you, Fred. Come on, Rudy. It's on the side. Show us. I think what Benjamin is trying to say is,
Hello, Nicholas.
fine, fine, take a seat.
Hello, Nick. Hello. How are you? Hello, are you talking? Are you talking? Yeah. Oh yeah? Yeah. Let me hear some more. Let me hear some more. Nick's gonna be 4 months old in a couple days, aren't ya? Yes, you are. You're gonna be 4 months old. It's a big boy. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Yeah. 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 Tell me more. Oh. Oh no. And here's Brandon. Hi, Brandon. How are you? Can you say your 1, 2, 3s for mommy? Bam. 1. Tell me. 1. 1, 2, 3. Say them for me. Show the camera how you can tell me your 1 through 10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And big, big fat hen. That's right. How about your ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Say hi, Pop-Up. Say hi, Pop-Up 1 and Pop-Up 2. Nicholas. Well, he was talking up a storm before I brought the camera out, huh? He was talking a whole bunch. He was, I'm telling you. He was talking a whole bunch. Baby eyes. See his eyes? Don't do that. This is the biggest snowstorm we have ever had in 8 years. It's huge. Our cars are submerged. How much snow that is. Yeah. Some serious snow. Everybody's up for miles. And here is Jabuja. Jabuja. He says Jabuja.
Jabuja must be farming.
He's playing ticka 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 ticka. Ticka 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 ticka.
Jabuja booty.
Jabuja. Hey Jabuja. Hello. He gonna be 4 months old tomorrow. 4 months old tomorrow.
Can you make these? Here, can you make these?
And here is Brian. Say hi.
Hi.
Turn around and say hi.
Okay.
He doesn't want to show his rough beard. If you turn around and say hi, I'll turn the camera off. Haha.
Go ahead.
Feels like the end of the world.
This is what we can see from the backyard.
If
There's lots and lots and lots of snow.
group of people, she felt like she had to kind of impose herself from being in a world where
And then straight
she
to
accepted as neither black nor white at times.
The alienation was most noticeable at school.
She felt that she looked different.
Kind of hard to see though because there's plastic on the door.
She didn't feel pretty.
Mariah as a student was not very good. She would do real well in creative things.
Mariah wasn't a good student, but she was an excellent
There is the outcome of our storm. You can't see our steps. They're completely covered. It's pure craziness. There's somebody trying to shovel their walk. It's only waist high. He's feeling a little bit exhausted. And another person attempting Wait till I get him. To get their cars out. What, Brandon? Hey. It's a little too cold for you, Sonny. Here's our neighbor. Feeling a little under the weather. Literally. I guess I should shuffle too. The icicles. Check that out. She's having so much fun. We'll just wait till it melts. Signing off. Goodbye.
Here's Gina and Brandon playing in the snow. I'm sick, so I can't go outside. He's stuck.
I'm stuck, Brandon! I'm stuck!
They're both stuck.
You're stuck too?
Oh boy. Yep, baby's crying. I have to go get the baby. Signing off.
Hi. How are you? There's Nick waking up. There's Nick waking up. He's a waking up baby. You gonna talk? Are you gonna talk to me? Are you gonna talk to me? Are you gonna talk to me? Lay down over there. Lay down over there next to Nick. Brandon, say hi. Are you gonna talk to me? Are you gonna talk to me, Nick? Brandon. You're shaking the camera. In the morning, they came to join me in my bed. Say hi, Brandon. And here's Nick, waking up in Mommy's bed. It's in Mommy's bed. You like in Mommy's bed?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's just a little too early for Mommy. Because Brandon came up to see Mommy at 7:30. Right after Daddy left to go to work. Isn't that right, Nick? Where are you, Nick? Hi, baby boys. Hello, baby boys. Hello. Papa Juan, we're gonna go to your playgroup today. He's a booja. He's a booja. He's a booja. He's a booja. The booja. Is that funny? Is that what Daddy calls Nick? Is that what Daddy calls Nick? He's a booja. The booja. The booja. Ayaw. 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 Can you count to 10 for me?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And
And
a big fat hen.
1,
Big fat hen.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N.
And a big fat hen.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
N.
Again?
A.
What about ABCs?
E.
A.
Arrow.
No.
A. E. S. E. A. O. E. U. O. U. E. U. S. N. O. A. E. S. E. A. O. E. U. S. T. U. E. O. S. A. B.
Good job, little man. Now I said my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay. Are you going to talk for Mommy today too? Don't. 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 Oh, good job. Sing your Blue's Clues song. Because it's Who's Clues, Blue's Clues. You gotta find another paw print, and that's your second clue. You put it in your notebook because it's Who's Clues, Blue's Clues. You gotta find another paw print, and that's your third clue. Put it in your pocket because it's Who's Clues, Blue's Clues. You gotta sit down in your thinking chair and think. Because when you use your mind, take a step at a time, and you can do anything that you wanna do. Is that funny, little boy? Say bye-bye for now. Bye-bye for now. We're gonna go have breakfast.
Breakfast!
That's right. Breakfast. Let's go. Start our day. Ta-ta for now. Bye.